EmdikidsTV.
Hey, wakey, wakey! Let's have a healthy day!
The rooster wakes up with a cock-a-doodle-doo. He stretches his wings and he says, "How are you?" Open up the window, let the sun shine in. That is how a healthy day should begin.
The monkey swings high.
Ooh, ah.
He's the fastest climber in the jungle by far. He peels a yellow banana, munch, munch. Fruit is the best for a healthy lunch.
We move our bodies, we eat our greens. The happiest kids you've ever seen. From the morning sun to the moon above, we live a healthy life that we love. The penguin waddles, waddle, waddle, flap. He stands up straight and he gives a little clap. Keep your back tall like a tower in the snow. That is the healthy way to go.
The piggy in the mud goes
oink, oink, oink.
He jumps in the air like a
bouncy boink.
But when playtime is over, he knows what to do. He scrubs with the bubbles until he's brand new.
The owl sits high and he says hoo hoo. He's very wise and he's healthy too. He rests his eyes and he reads a little book. Let's open it up and take a look. The sheep in the field says ba ba ba. She's the kind of sheep you've seen so far.
She says
please and thank you and she likes to share.
Healthy hearts show they really care. Cock-a-doodle-doo,
Oink, oink,
hoo-hoo.
healthy habits are for me